Hi, Student Bloker. So you're going to go to the library website, and then you'll scroll down on the page past the one search query box and select articles and databases. Lead you to the A through Z database page. Then you're going to select the letter L and scroll down to the page. So L, scroll down. You're going to select Library and Information Science Source. This is going to open up this EBSCOhost page where it says Searching Library and Information Science Source. Here you're going to enter Teenspace. And then in the second query, you're going to put public library because we want to make sure that we're looking at Teenspaces in public libraries. And then if you scroll down, you're going to go to where it says limit your results to scholarly peer-reviewed journals. Now you can scroll down and click search, or you can scroll back up, click search, and that should pull up a few different articles on Teenspaces in public libraries. Now, if you needed additional resources other than these, you would then change your query to, let's say, teen area and public library, and then see what results that yields you. But as long as you have that limiter, then you should be all set for finding peer-reviewed articles.